Now let's talk about Trinity. The ARES Trinity is Gruber's unique concept combining CAD on desktop, mobile, and cloud. ARES Commander for Windows, Mac, and Linux, ARES Touch for Android and iOS mobile devices, and ARES Kudo, our online solution. More than 3 products, it is an ecosystem aiming at improving collaboration and deliver projects faster. Depending on the needs of each user, these 3 products can be purchased all together with a Trinity license or individually. Today, I am happy to announce 2 new licensing options. First of all, the Mobility Pack is a license combining ARES Kudo and ARES Touch for a same user. It is a perfect mix for collaborators, experts, and managers that are not heavily producing drawings, but mostly using and collaborating on them. For example, a technician that is using drawings to perform maintenance activities, or team leaders on a construction site. With the Mobility Pack, they can not only read the drawings, but also make modifications and use the collaboration features, such as inserting a voice comment for the design team or a photo taken from their mobile phone. The second new license type is the Flex Cloud license that will be released before summer. We already have the Flex Network license that is offered as perpetual or annual. We will keep offering these licenses, but we are adding the Flex Cloud license. The new Flex Cloud license enables customers to share not only ARES Commander, but the Trinity license, which includes Commander, Touch, and Kudo. With traditional network licenses, the license server is on the local network, which implies that all the users need to be in the same building. But with the new Flex Cloud license, the pool of licenses is in the cloud. It no longer matters if users are at the office, in home office, or even in a different country. Each user starting with any of the 3 products takes a Trinity license from the pool. Then, when the user stays inactive for more than 60 minutes, the license will be returned, making it available for another user. In other words, the Flex Cloud license is the modern evolution of the network license, but we will keep offering both. Why? Because it's a key competitive advantage of ARES to keep offering choice with perpetual, annual, and network licenses. The second topic, also related to licensing, is the new social login. When you activate a Gruber license, you will be invited to create a login and password. These credentials enable you to use your license on different devices. Now, you can also see these 2 buttons to use instead your Google or Apple accounts to authenticate yourself. The social login is available for all ARES users. Other single sign-on options, such as Microsoft Login, are available for enterprise customers. And now, some features we would like to highlight. To begin with, some usability improvements. The dialogues to open, save, and share files in the cloud have been improved to offer a better workflow with files in the cloud.